Hello and welcome to Simon's Simple English. Thank you very much for joining me. In this quick video, we're going to talk about a Ielts speaking part 2 answer about a type of communication that I like to use. I've got a sample answer for you, and also I'm going to show you the grammar and also the vocabulary that I've used in my answer. So, without further ado, let's get started. Ielts speaking part 2. There's questions about types of communication. Here's the question card. Describe your favourite mode of communication. You should say what way it is, how you use it to communicate with others, for how long you have been using this method, and explain why you prefer to use this way to communicate with others. So this is a great opportunity for you to pause the video, spend a minute preparing, and then try to answer this question yourself. Even better, record your answer and listen to it back. Listen to how fluent you are. Listen to any grammar mistakes, as well as listening to what's wrong. Listen out for what's good. What things are you doing well? But this is my answer. I've decided to talk about video chatting or video calling, like Skype and Zoom. These sites allow me to talk to my family, friends, or my students anywhere in the world, making it extremely easy and convenient to communicate and keep in touch. As an online tutor, I regularly talk to my worldwide students via one of these means, and they are great platforms for people to learn and practice their English or any language really. What's more, I live in Asia and have family in the UK, so it's a fantastic way for us all to catch up with each other. Sometimes we video conference with 3 or 4 different people in various locations around the UK and the world. Technology these days is really marvellous, and I believe it has made the world a smaller place. Obviously, I would prefer to talk to my family and friends face to face. However, this is not always possible due to distance and pandemic restrictions. So video calling is the next best thing. So, first of all, grammar. I've decided to talk about. That's using the present perfect tense. Also, it's a great way to start. Some of my students have trouble starting their talk. Just start the same way. Just use the present perfect tense. I've decided to talk about this. And you're also showing the examiner that you can use that tense so that hopefully he can give you a good score for your grammatical range and accuracy. With regard to vocabulary, I've got extremely. So instead of saying very or really, I say extremely, and that's to a large degree. How big is it? It's very big? Nah, it's extremely big. Convenient. It's an adjective, and that means that it's easy to do. It needs little trouble. To keep in touch. This is a great idiomatic phrase for when you're talking about your family or your friends, and that's to stay in contact with each other. Practice using it. It's a great one to slip into your answers for part 1, part 2, or even part 3. Via. So this is actually a preposition, and I say via video calling, but we could go to the shops via car or via subway. So it's by means of. To catch up. Again, phrasal verb. If you want to get band 7 or more, you need to show a little bit of less common and idiomatic language. Things like phrasal verbs are excellent for that. So to catch up is to talk to someone after you haven't talked to them for a while. Another great one for talking about your friends and your family. Marvellous. It's an adjective. That's like excellent or extremely good. So instead of saying good, we could say it's marvellous. You know, do you like your milkshake? It's good. A bit boring, really. My milkshake is marvellous. Much better. Face to face. It's an adverb and it means in person. So one person's face is in front of another person's face. So there you have it. That's my answer for a type of communication that I like to use. What was your answer like? Which of the vocabulary or phrases that I used would you like to use in your answer? Let me know in the comments box below. I'd be very interested. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you found this useful. Don't forget also, if you want to practice for your Ielts and you want some one-on-one training, you can have that with me or another tutor on italki. And if you click the link below, you'll get $10 for free credit once you sign up. Please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future videos. And I will see you again very soon. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.